April 30th has passed. You've submitted your video, your PPR, and your full code PDF. That locks in up to 2 points right away. Now let's focus on earning the remaining 4 points during the 60-minute FRQ section of the AP exam. Quick note, this episode is based on the official 2024 prompts and scoring guidelines released by the College Board. We're using them to guide our practice as closely as possible. Here's how the scoring works. The grader will first check your video to confirm your program runs. It must take an input, do something meaningful, and show an output. Next, they'll review your PPR to evaluate your program logic. The PPR isn't just for the FRQ prompts. It's also the first place they look to understand your code. If they can't find what they need in the PPR, they'll go deeper into the full code PDF. But all that is out of your hands now. What is in your control? Practicing the 4 written prompts. And that's exactly what we're going to do next. Here's how we're going to approach this. We'll walk through the official 2024 FRQ prompts, just like we're taking the real exam. Then, we'll go over additional practice prompts that follow the same format to help you reinforce what you've learned. For our walkthrough, we'll be using the Movie Recommender project as the example submission. If you want to practice along, feel free to pause the video at each prompt and write your own answers, then compare them with ours. We'll also share a few key takeaways after each question to highlight what matters most. Here are 5 key tips to help you earn those FRQ points. First, know your main logic, loops, lists, and conditionals. Second, don't panic if your code's not perfect. Just explain what you would do. Third, focus on abstraction, how your list and procedures simplify things. Fourth, follow the prompt. If it gives you a procedure, use it, don't rewrite it. And last, show variation. Use different test cases and explain how parameters change the behavior. Stay calm, explain clearly, and you've got this. Thanks for joining us for this video. We hope you found the content helpful. We'd love to create more content to support your learning, so please scan the QR code and let us know which topics you want us to cover next. Enjoyed that? Hit like and subscribe. Let's grow together.